on Pakistan. Karachi Airport, one of the largest airfields in Asia, is a regular stop on the airline schedules of 7 nations. Pakistan, no longer a remote region, is now only a matter of hours from the capitals of Europe. The effects of this link with the world at large are most noticeable in the streets of Karachi, capital city of the young nation. Here, the ancient traditions and customs of the Orient are mixed with modern Western innovations. Seat of the government of Pakistan, Karachi is the hub of an actively functioning democratic state. For Pakistan today is a forward-thinking nation. In the new age of enlightenment, Pakistan's